With a bench press, we're training the chest, the anterior shoulder, and the triceps. Common trigger points in the chest are on the upper chest towards the shoulders. If you experience shoulder pain, most of the time you will realize that your middle, low, and trapezius are tight, so the muscles between the shoulder blades, which then makes it hard for the shoulder to be packed. You see me here with the whole anterior chain is packed. Feet are straight. I drive the feet into the ground. With the calves, I'm hugging the bench. My hamstrings, glutes are tight. The pelvis is tucked under me. I'm breathing deeply into my belly, but keep the rib cage down to keep the core tight. And my shoulders are packed back and down towards my rear pockets. With a hand, I'm bending the bar, bringing the two pinky fingers together. My neck is packed, so it's pushed down onto the bench and as long as possible. Taking the bar off the machine, I'm having the position on the height of my eyes. As I lower the bar, I keep my elbows in a 35 to 45 degree angle, wide grip, and I'm lowering the bar onto my lower chest, so nipple height or slightly below. Make sure that you keep the bar bent and pull yourself into this position, meaning you have control over the bar and your shoulder blades glide on your rib cage back and down towards your rear pockets.